Good morning, students. Now let's see some last few lines of the poem. There have come soft rains. The lines are: why anything? There is nothing to be upset about. The bombs won't get us. I have seen what's to come. It is the days, the steady pounding of days, like gentle rain, that will be our undoing. When the speaker has seen, the speaker is one of the children, one of the students of kindergarten. The speaker, he saw Annie, that Annie, she was standing and she was upset as she didn't understand what was going on. Why the children, they were sitting in the position whereby pressing their heads between their knees. She was not aware about the bomb drills, so she was upset. So the speaker said, why anything? There is nothing to be upset. There was no need to be upset. The bombs won't get us. The bombs, they would not destroy them, not going to harm them. It was only a drill. So the speaker tried to persuade, tried to convince Annie not to be upset. I have seen what is to come. It is the days, the steady pounding the days like gentle rain. The speaker has said that he has seen the days, that these days, they would not be end. The poet has used the word gentle rain. Gentle rain, it represents or it stands for steady monotony days. Here gentle rain or soft rains, it represents or stands for steady monotony days. The children, they were waiting for the attacking bombs, but they were waiting. They were passing their time only in waiting. They were sitting in the position, pressing their heads between their knees, and they were waiting. They were in queue at the beginning, and then the speaker has said, pounding of days like gentle rain, that will be our undoing. The speaker said that what was our undoing? Undoing that never end waiting to end the war. That was their undoing. It means they were going to wait that when the war would end, and the war, it would not be ended. So they had to wait and wait only. If you see in the poem, in the beginning, the children, they were sent to the hallway in line and they were queued. They were queuing. They were in straight line and they were waiting after sitting in a position. And at the end of the poem, the same children, they turned into old people. And that time also they were waiting to end of the war. So this is about the war, that the children in the beginning, they were shown that they were sent to the hallway and they were asked to sit in a position, and the same children, they were grown up and they became old. That time also they were waiting for the end of the war. So that war, it was a continuous process that has been showcased in this poem. There have come soft rains. Is there any end of this war? That was the question that was the general question asked in the poem. Because when we read, if you see the poem in your textbook, in your course book, we can see that in beginning we are given the picture of the children, kindergarten children, that they were going in queue in a row to the hallway, and then they were sitting in a position, pressing their heads between their knees. And the same children, they were at the end of the poem, they became old, and that time also they were waiting to end. They were waiting for the end of the war. So this is the explanation of the poem, There Have Come Soft Rains, written by John Philip Johnson. Thank you, students.